Welcome to today's instructional video on how to calibrate the National Instruments USB-6259. Let's start with a brief overview of the device. The USB-6259 is a 16-bit multifunction DAC device by National Instruments. This device includes two 32-bit counters, also referred to as timers, which operate at a rate of 80 MHz. Additionally, it features 32 single-ended or 16 differential analog input channels, each with a maximum sample rate of 1.25 megasamples per second, and 4 analog output channels. For optimal performance, the device should warm up for 30 minutes before use and be calibrated at least once every 2 years. To begin the calibration process, follow these steps. First, connect the device. Plug the power supply into an electrical outlet and connect it to your device. Connect the cable from the computer's USB port or any USB hub to the USB port on the device. Power on the device. The LED indicator will blink or light up once your computer detects the device. Next, open Measurement and Automation Explorer. Launch the Measurement and Automation Explorer. Find your device under the Devices and Interfaces tab. If your device is not listed, press F5 to refresh the list of installed devices. If it still doesn't appear, try disconnecting and reconnecting the USB cable. Perform basic tests. Click the Self-Test button to perform a basic verification of hardware resources. Then click the Self-Calibration button. Once the device passes both tests, proceed to the next step. Launch Calibration Executive. Open Calibration Executive software. Select your device under Device Types and click Calibrate next to the drop-down menu. Fill out the required forms with your information and proceed. Prepare for calibration. Record the temperature and humidity percentage as prompted by the application. Gather the necessary equipment: an E-Series calibration fixture, banana plug cables, a BNC cable, and a shielded cable. Connect the banana plug cables to both the calibration fixture and the calibrator. Connect the shielded cable to the back of the calibration fixture and the USB-6259. Connect the BNC cable to the calibration fixture and a counter. Proceed with calibration. Click Continue in Calibration Executive. Enter the counter reading in megahertz when prompted. For example, if the reading is 4.9998 MHz, record that number. This is when the analog input and output get verified. Follow the instructions to switch the cable from connector 0 to connector 1 on the USB-6259 and click Continue. It will run another test of the verification of the analog input and output. Reset the counter when prompted. Finally, complete the calibration. If all steps are done correctly, you will receive a green notification stating Calibration Procedure Passed. Click Continue to access the Calibration Procedure Test datasheet. This concludes our calibration tutorial for the National Instruments USB-6259. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.